Hello and welcome my dear kids. Hope you all are fine. In today's video, you will be looking into Chapter 2 Diversity and Discrimination from your Civics book of your Social Studies syllabus. Dear kids, here in this video, you will get all the important NCERT solved questions. So without much wasting time, let's look into the video. Now let's look into question number 1, that is match the following statements in a way that challenges stereotypes. Question number A is two surgeons were sitting down to lunch when one of them made a call on the mobile phone. The statement with which this will be matched is to speak with her daughter who had just returned from school. Question number B, the boy who won the drawing competition went to the dais. So this will be matched with on a wheelchair to collect his prize. Question number C, one of the fastest athletes in the world suffers from chronic asthma. Question number D is she was not that well off but had a dream. This will be matched with the statement to become an astronaut, which she did. Question number 2. How can the stereotype that girls are a burden on their parents affect the life of a daughter? Imagine this situation and list at least 5 different effects that this stereotype can have on the way daughters get treated in the house. So we see girls have been treated as a burden since many years. Even today, their condition has not changed. The parents never accepts the birth of a girl's child, so a girl's life is badly affected. The 5 different negative effects are mentioned below. Number A, they don't receive proper love and care from the family. Number B, they discontinue their education and thus their dreams and goals are not fulfilled. Number C, they don't get adequate diet. Number D, they are asked to do all household chores. And number E, they are not allowed to go out and make friends. Question number 3. What does the Constitution say with regard to equality? Why do you think it is important for all people to be equal? Now look into the answer. Our Constitution provides that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, or region. It is important to all people to be equal because then only our society would develop. It is our right to be treated equally. Question number 4. Sometimes people make prejudiced comments in our presence. We are often not in a position to do anything about this because it is difficult to say something right then and there. Divide the class into groups and each group discuss what they could do in one of the following situations. Here are some given situations for you. Let's look into the situations. Question number 4A. A friend begins to tease a classmate because he is poor. So what would you do in this situation? I would try to convince my friend that being poor is not a crime nor a matter of laughter. Now question number B. You are watching TV with your family and one of them makes a prejudicial comment about a particular religious community. So what would you do? I will stop him or her to do so. Now in question number C, the situation is children in your class refuse to share food with a particular person because they think she is dirty. So what would you do? I would advise my classmates to be friendly with all. In question number D, someone tells you a joke that makes fun of a community because of their accent. So what would you do in this situation? I would not get involved in the joke and would go from there. In question number E, some boys make remarks about girls not being able to play games as well as them. So what would you do in this situation? I would try to convince those boys that girls are in no way less efficient than the boys. Dear students, if you find this NCERT solved questions of civics portion, diversity and discrimination is helpful to you, then do hit a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to leave your valuable comments so that I can improve in a better way. Thanks for watching and keep learning.